I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer your balance from an old SIM on TIM Italy, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before starting the transfer, ensure that both your old and new SIM cards are active. You can do this by inserting each SIM into your phone and checking for signal and balance. Step 2. Gather required information. You will need the phone numbers of both the old and new SIM cards, as well as any PIN or personal identification required for verification. Make sure you have this information handy. Step 3. Use the TIM app. Download the TIM app from the App Store or Google Play if you haven't already. Log in with your account details and navigate to the balance transfer section. Step 4. Initiate the transfer. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm completion. Once the transfer is initiated, you will receive a confirmation message. Check the balance on your new SIM to ensure the transfer was successful. If you don't see the balance right away, give it a few minutes. I hope this guide helps you transfer your balance easily. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to ask.